What's up, my followers? And for today's video, I will show you how to operate the star delta control without timer. As you can see, guys, there is no timer in this diagram, and I only use the three contactors, which is the main, delta, and Y. And to operate this control is I only use the start push button, which is normally open push button, and the stop push button, normally close push button. This one is one. And observe, guys, how to operate the star delta without timer using push button normally open. It's this one. Okay, and just turn on the breaker and the for control MCB single pole and the fuse. Yeah. Okay, just hold the push button normally open, which is the start push button, and count into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then release into change into speed motor into delta. As you can see, guys, the motor change into delta. Okay, again I will show you again. Just press the stop. Okay, now motor is stop position, then hold again, hold the start push button, then count into 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release to change the speed of motor into delta. As you can see, guys, I hold this and the star KIM 3 is closed, then the delta contactor is open, then I release. Okay, as you can see, guys, the delta contactor is closed, then the star contactor is open. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This is a simple diagram for star delta without timer motor control. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to follow and like and share. Thank you.